Hey everyone, we're out here at the Splunk Tech Summit. I've been chatting with AK here about Chargeback app. Can you tell me some more about what that app does and how people use it?
Sounds good. So, Jason, basically, I created this app for customers, Splunk customers that needs to understand how their business users actually using and utilizing and consuming the Splunk license itself, whether it's a just license model or SVC or even on-prem vCPU or infrastructure type licensing. So customers kind of needed to understand that from a business perspective. So the app actually has what we call the business hierarchy. You start by building that.
Mhm.
And at that point, you'll start seeing users and apps translating into a business unit structure. And so you have drill down capability. You know what business units are actually using Splunk, how much of Splunk they're using, and you can drill down all the way down to the user with additional details so you can have the full understanding of how Splunk is being consumed and used and utilized at your company, basically.
So you talk about these business units. How do you get that information to Splunk understands what business unit is what?
Great question. So we have the concept of enrichment principles. So Splunk as a product has a concept of apps. We have users that would log into the platform. And we have the concept of jobs, safe searches, and alerts. And we have dashboards that people build and use. So you can use, for example, an app, I consider it as a container. We can say, all right, app 123, anyone that uses this app, whether they're using it to run a dashboard or execute a scheduled job, we can use that as a container. We can relate that to a business unit. So anybody that accesses this app, run anything from it, we will register that usage and start associating it with that particular business unit. So it's really not difficult to get up and running, but we do recommend that you get some help, maybe from ODS. You know, if you have that option, which is on-demand services, we highly recommend that to get you up and going. But once you get the hang of it, you would love it. It would be simple. It's not intimidating. And you get a lot of examples on a document that is shipped with the app itself. Right in the home dashboard of the app, there's a document section with a PDF that you can download, and it gives you a walkthrough instructions on how to get it up and running.
Yeah. So talking about the app and the documentation, where can I go get the app?
Yeah, so the app is a free app, by the way. There is no charge for it whatsoever. You can find a Splunk base. It's also supported by Splunk. So if you have any problems with it, please open a support ticket. But we highly recommend getting an ODS support because you'll have a much better experience as a customer because they're going to walk you through it. And they already helped hundreds of customers getting this app configured. So they have a lot of expertise in this space. So we would love for you guys to try it out and let us know what you think.
Awesome. Thanks, AK. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.